So when it comes to famous places to go in Kuala Lumpur, there is a lot to see and do. And one of the top spots is this right here, the Jalan Alor Food Market. This place really gets busy during the night, but you could also come here and eat during the day. But there's one other place right next to it that is famous for different reasons. That is this right here, the Changkat Bukit Bintang. This is more of a place if you want to have a nightlife, but there's also a lot of massage parlors. So it's right next to the Bukit Bintang street, hence the name. And Changkat, I'm not sure what that means, but if you do like to have more fun for night activities, drinking and stuff like that, this is the area. And there are a lot of massage places, specifically foot massage places. So if you're walking down here, you're gonna get people ask you for a foot massage, especially on this side. So during the day, it's not as bad. So I'll come here during the night to kind of show you how crazy this street gets. But we're gonna go a little bit further down Changkat. And this is, I would say, an older area, some of these buildings, but it's also mixed with new stuff. But right next to it is Bukit Bintang, so that's really awesome that you could see the contrast of old and new right next to each other. So there are all the different foot massages. Who knows, I might come here and get a foot massage myself. But at night, this is where people come out to party. I myself do not drink, and so I really wouldn't get much value or fun out of it. But this just shows you that there is something for everyone. And since this is primarily a Muslim country, the drinking on here is going to be a lot more expensive, okay? So if you are planning to drink alcohol, just know that you are going to pay more. And as we go down further, you see some bars and restaurants as we get down there. So there's also more stuff down there as well. So here we are. So there's a nightlife right there. And this place is gonna look a lot different at night. And some of the things that you can expect is, number one, a lot of people, a lot of music, and a lot of partying. So you can see there. Go across the street, and it's mostly down this one street. So I'm gonna go across the street just to kind of show you more of the bars. And I'm showing you during the daytime so you could get a better look. So then at night, you could see the contrast between them. So here's some bars up here and hotels. See there? Whiskey bar over there. Nothing but bars down Changkat Bukit Bintang. And just kind of remember how this looks like during the day, and then we'll contrast that with nighttime. Heineken must be paying a lot of money to have their stuff here, but man, it's like Heineken everywhere. Okay, so as far as I could tell, this is it. This is basically the end of Changkat Bukit Bintang as far as I could tell, because right behind me there's buildings, hotels and stuff. But yeah, it's Changkat Bukit Bintang during the day, and I'm gonna come back here at night to show you how crazy this place gets. So now it is nighttime. That's Jalan Alor Food Market, but we're gonna see Changkat Bukit Bintang. If you want to party all night, this is where you come. There's a whole bunch of foot massage parlors and bars. So if you are interested in those things, you're gonna have a great time here. So this is just the beginning of it, at least next to the Jalan Market. and you see nothing but foot massagers, and they're gonna offer it to you constantly. I think there's more on that side than this side. But then as we walk down further, we'll get to the bar area. And as you can see, if you decide to come here in a car, I wouldn't recommend it. You might want to take some type of public transit and then walk the rest of it. It's just not worth being stuck in traffic, especially as it gets later at night. So let's go ahead and get down further into Changkat. I'm not sure how packed it will be. So this is my first time coming down here at night. During the day, there's pretty much nothing here. Right. And thankfully, it stopped raining. It did rain a little bit earlier. That's the one thing that I think everybody should be aware of, that it does rain a lot in Malaysia. So always have an umbrella with you. So there are definitely restaurants here as well. But the main reason why people come here is the night scene. And you can see down there, all the bars over there. And it is just a lot of things going on. A lot of colors. Okay. And karaoke. There it is. Bar Air Changkat. You can see right away. And this is a Muslim country, so alcohol is going to be very, very expensive. So if you are somebody who enjoys drinking, just be ready to spend more for that privilege to drink. So Tokyo eyeballs and cocktails. Look at this. Wow. Such a big difference between coming here during the day and then at night. Look at this. Man. Look at that. Oh man, it's hard to get through. There's like not a lot of space. What the hell? Yeah, we love this stuff. This is the place to be. So, a lot of people here. Partying. Look at that. And there's a lot of promoters. Everybody wants to go into their bar, massage parlors, and so forth. So, and restaurants galore. Wow, so funny. It's like saucy. Happy hour. Happy hour. That's it. Happy hour. 7 o'clock at night. So as the night gets later, it gets more crazy. I think it's around 7 or 8 p.m. right now. I can't remember. Hello.
Hi. Brother, have you?
Okay. Yes. Okay, so we're almost at the end of Changkat on this side. This is the La Chica Mexican Grill. And I'm gonna try to go back on the other side. Okay. So we're really pushing a happy hour. Wow. That is a lot. Okay. And then I think the last major place is Havana up there. And I'll have to turn back around. Okay, I think that's it. Changkat Bukit Bintang from beginning to end, at least on this side. So here's the corner. So I'm gonna go on the other side and walk back. Okay, so now I'm on the other side, and here's Havana. Now I'm gonna head back, go to Changkat from the other side. Oh man, it is just craziness. The thing is, as much people as there are out here, it's not too crazy wild, you know? Nobody, at least right now, is getting violent or super drunk. At least not right now. Who knows what's gonna happen later. And then you have motorbikes on the street. Gotta watch out for that. And funny thing is, some people are bringing their families through as well. Right, more bars. Yes. Oh, that looks really cool. So this way, it's actually been quicker for me to walk through. I don't know what it is.
Actually, I really like it.
All right, so I made it through Changkat Bukit Bintang at night. Yeah, it's absolutely wild. If you enjoy the bar atmosphere or foot massages, then come check it out. Changkat Bukit Bintang, and there's other stuff right here as well. There's a hotel. So if you could try to get a hotel right here and, next to this place, and also next to the Jalan Alor food market and Bukit Bintang, yeah, this is a great spot if you really enjoy the nightlife.
Ada yang saya.